Well, this is the Boxcar Museum. Must be the office. It says on the sign it's supposed to be open Fridays from 10:30 until something, and it's 11 o'clock. Nobody home. Okay, I'm sure. I thought there'd be a lot of boxcars, but it's just a boxcar museum. A museum contained in a boxcar. But that one over there might be open where you can go inside. So this is in, is this Caliente? I'm not sure here. So this is just the boxcar. And there's, looks like a railroad station there. We'll check that out in a little bit. A couple signs over there. But nothing painted on this side of the boxcar. And a little disappointed. Disappointed here. Here it is. It says the Boxcar Museum. Yeah. There's the front of it. And it says Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, 10:30 to 2:30. And you can call these people and have them come out. But now we're not going to do that. But we're going to walk around back here and go in this other one. Now here's this one here. And got the flag. I'm going to come up here. Watch my step. And it's locked. So you can't go in there. Well, we can see inside. So I guess somebody left a caulking gun there. And there's a sink, chair, stove. Your basic needs of life. Some kind of a not a walkie-talkie, but a communication device. Maybe a bathroom in there. But and here we got big brake wheel, which is of course locked here also. And I'm going to carefully go down the other side here. So it's more of a drop off, and they're spraying weeds over there, so I don't want to get poisoned. So, but there's the other boxcar there.